Good morning. This is my first detail job I have scheduled for today. I started about a week ago. Started the Instagram page about a week ago and just started getting the supplies. Got some of the stuff in the back. I got a blower, drill, all my supplies, and in the back I got an extractor, a generator, and a vacuum. And I got my water supply underneath me below. So we're gonna get into it. We're gonna head out and meet up with the client and get his truck taken care of. It'll be the first one. Yeah, this is how I'm gonna do it. Just out of this car until I can flip up to the next fleet vehicle to then outfit the vehicle for detailing, because this is my daily driver. This is just an Acura TSX, so I still got a lot of room and space. I still have my sub in here too, so I'm gonna eventually take that out so I can have more room for more supplies and whatnot. But this is the first stage one, so we're gonna get the ball rolling this morning. So we got a Nissan Frontier truck coming up. A lot of debris throughout the cabin area, in the rear seat. Looks like rose petals spread all throughout the car. Floor mat's pretty soiled, stains, seats on the carpet and all over the place. This is a pretty dirty car, but you know, I've seen worse, to be honest with you, and I had high hopes for transformation with this. So now it's coming up is after the first pass of just vacuuming, getting out a lot of that dirt and sand. I have not done any shampooing yet or extraction, but yeah, that's what we're looking at right now. A lot of the easy stuff came out. There's just a lot of stains that remained. Seats had a lot of spot stains and whatnot. This client uses this truck for their business. They're in the food industry, so, and they also have kids, so combination of those type of usages, a lot of buildup can really start to show itself with time given and constant use. A lot of grime buildup using that AC knob a lot, and of course the shift knob. High traffic areas pretty much right here, and I get right into it, working my way from the outside to the inside of the car. So I'm just hitting all the door jambs and the outers of the doors, because that stuff's important. When you open the door and it looks clean, can't really beat that. And then I start on the door panels, and after all the door panels are done, I pretty much work my way in to the car as far as the next level of detailing and cleaning the interior. This is a lot of the water that came from the carpet and the seats. Pretty dirty, if you ask me. You know, a lot of this stuff is in people's cars and they don't even know it. You know, you just can't sit in it every day and use it and expect it not to be dirty. It can hide. And this is after, so we got a lot of dirt out of this car. The change was pretty drastic, I would say. For the amount of time spent, it definitely could use more time. Some stains are not going to be able to come out, but that's just standard with a high usage vehicle. You know, you're just not going to be able to bring it back 100%, but you definitely can bring it back up to par. And that's what we did right here with this job. Very clean all around. Rear seats came out pretty nice. So did the carpet. There's still some staining on there, but you know, next cleaning, maybe some more comes out. The more you do it, the better it gets, you know. Cup holder came out really clean as well. All right, so it's the end of the day. We did 2 cars. So the first client, we just scheduled to do his truck, and his fiance came home, and then he asked if I could do her car too. So I went ahead and took care of both of them. It took quite a while, not gonna lie. I started at around 9:10, 9:15, and I didn't end until around 3:30. So that's a pretty decent amount of time. The first car got a shampooing, the floors and the seats, full wipe down, door jams wiped out. Um, yeah, and drying. And then the other car, which the first car was a truck, the second car was a small SUV, Mazda CX-5, so normal size SUV. Um, and that one just got a basic cleaning, vacuum, wipe down, seats clean, uh, interior trim, restore, whatever, and air freshener. It took a while, but we were able to get them all done. Uh, Both the clients were very pleased with the results. I definitely went above and beyond on some portions of the cars because I really care about making them clean. I want somebody to feel good about what they spent for their money. So for now, I want to make sure I do my best and then cut down on my time. I do believe where I could have saved time was the door jams. I could have pressure washed those out. That would have been a lot quicker than spraying them down and wiping them out. I could have just sprayed them down with the pressure washer and took a microfiber towel and wipe it clean, and then that would have been it. I think that would have saved me at least a good 25 minutes or so on the first car. And then other things that could have been faster. Well, I did break a tool. Uh, I realized you gotta have both of. You need as much lubrication as you can. You don't want to soil it completely, but you want to have enough lubrication on the carpet. The drill snapped the brush, so the mounting point for it snapped from the plastic. So it was just spinning and not spinning the brush, but spinning the shaft that it connects to. And so that happened. That kind of killed some time. And then my generator cut off a few times. I think because it was on a driveway at an angle and the gas was running low, it wanted to shut off. I think that was a big part of it. So we'll see what happens the next time we use it to make sure it's operating good. Everything with the generator is clean and new. It has minimal use. Previous owner only used it once. But yeah, I think it's just like doing it, repeating the process, doing it over again. I like the steps that I went through, blowing out, taking all the trash and larger items and blowing it out. That helps minimizing my vacuuming being needing to be done, and then yeah, everything else is just like getting in habit of doing it. So the more times I do it, faster I should get. But about 3 hours on a shampoo and full detail interior, uh, so and then about an hour and a half on just a basic cleaning, uh, interior wipe down and stuff. I want to get those times down, but of course it's the first time today. I have plenty of detailing experience, like with my own personal cars, but when you don't do it all the time, you're not going to be as fast starting out. So we're going to keep chopping down the time. But yeah, I'm pretty pleased with today's results. Got two in. Goal is to try to get two a week, starting out and go from there and just try to grow it. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm going to continue to post about this stuff and I guess show you guys my detailing journey.